What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES here. So I've got a Marfione custom Warhound folder created by the great Sean Marfione, and this one is actually finished in copper eggshell. So it's a copper top handle with an eggshell texture to it. The blade is Stonewash. As well as the titanium on the back is Stonewash, and then it's got copper accents, as you can see on the clip and the hardware. Really good action, really good beefy folder all the way around. This one's got M390 steel, so you can see. Better look at the back right here. This one is actually, I just listed it on the site, it's actually serial number 1. So this is the very first one of these. This was made in October of 2018. I got this from a collector who gave it up and wanted to get rid of some of his collection. So I have this one listed on the site now. It's brand new though. It's been basically on his shelf the whole time. So comes with all original Marfione custom packaging. Got the padded pouch with the dagger, Velcro patch, cloth. Everything you need is here, and it's on the site now, eknives.com. If you have any questions, call or text me 423-525-9477. You can email me Clayton@eknives.com. Thanks guys.